Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable Facelock animation on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone and from here just scroll down and tap on password and security. And from here just scroll down and tap on Facelock. And from here just select the lock screen combination you like. You can select between Facelock and pattern, Facelock and pin, and Facelock with a password. I will select Facelock and a pattern. Now from here, just draw your pattern. Now once you have drawn your pattern, just tap on next. And from here, just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now once you have confirmed your pattern, just tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on done. And on this screen, just tap on Start Enrollment. And from here, just enter your Facelock. And once you have entered your Facelock, you will open the Facelock page. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Animation Styles. And from here, you can change the animation style of the Facelock unlocking. Just like that. And once you select the animation style you like, just tap on Apply. And from here, if you open the lock screen, you can see the animation style we have just selected. Just like that. And this is how you can enable Facelock animation on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.